equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the motherboard. First, power down your Lenovo 80QD and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and set them aside in a safe place. Be sure to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the existing motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal area with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new motherboard is installed. Next, disconnect all cables attached to the motherboard. This includes the power connector, data cables, and any other peripherals. Make sure to note where each cable connects, as this will make reassembly much easier. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After disconnecting the cables, remove the screws securing the motherboard to the chassis. Carefully lift the motherboard out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Now, it's time to install the new motherboard. Align it with the screw holes and gently place it into the chassis. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables, ensuring they are firmly attached to their respective ports. If you're unsure about any connections, refer to the laptop's manual or consider our quote before repair service for professional assistance. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the panel. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect your laptop to the power source. Power it on and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. With your new motherboard installed, your Lenovo 80QD should be back up and running smoothly. Thank you for following this guide, and good luck with your repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.